Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a long pending video. Some of you guys requested long time ago that I should do a battle of the matte lipsticks. So I thought I'll do a battle of the matte lipsticks, then I'll do a battle of the matte liquid lipsticks, and so on. So if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section. I might just forget, so keep reminding me until I do your video, okay? Today's video is about the battle of the matte lipsticks. So I've just collected whatever I had in my collection. I'm sure there are a ton of matte lipsticks in the market as well, but this is what I have. So if you have the similar thingy, or if you're planning to buy similar things in affordable range, then watch this video. So I just dug into my lipstick collection and I came out with 8 matte lipsticks. Range from creamy matte to completely matte, so you get an idea of a lot of textures and lipstick qualities. Okay, so the first contender is the Nykaa So Matte lipsticks. These are a new launch. It's not now a new launch, it's been like 3, 4, 6 months maybe that they have launched, and this is how it looks like. It comes in this square black box and they have a magnetic closure, which I initially thought is a cool thing, but then I thought about it more and I came to a conclusion that it's not a cool thing, because when you throw it in a purse, this is likely to open very easily. This is not sturdy. This will open any moment your bag goes here or there, and it's like poof. So packaging is not that great. The one that I'm showing you right now is a beautiful pink color, and this is in the shade Pink Brat. This is in the shade Pink Brat. It's a beautiful everyday wearable MLBB kind of a pink color, and this is how it looks on my face, and I really like it. These are not completely matte. These are kind of creamy matte, but then they stain your lips, so even if the moisturization is gone, the color is still there, so you can consider it to be a matte lipstick. These retail for 399 rupees, which is a bit on the expensive side, because I think a lipstick above 300 is a bit expensive. It's just my notion. You might have a different feeling about that, but yeah, it's creamy, it's matte, and the price you pay, I would rate it at 3.5 out of 5, because the packaging is not that great in terms of traveling. The price is high compared to the other options that I have, and yeah, it stays onto your lips for good 4 to 5 hours, which is it stays onto your lips for what has happened to my voice? It stays onto your lips for good 4 to 5 hours, which is good, and you can easily remove it with the help of a makeup remover because it stains your lips. So from my side, it's like a 3.5 out of 5, because I think I have better lipsticks in my collection compared to this one. Okay, so the next lipstick is the Lakme Absolute Matte Addict, and this is how it looks like. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and this is in the shade Mauve Fix. Now this has been a cult favorite of mine for a really long time. This is more towards the matte side and less towards the creamy side. Like, it's more towards the matte, and it's matte. It dries out your lips after say 3 to 4 hours a little bit, like a tiny bit, obviously, because it's matte and it's less creamier as compared to the Nykaa one. I really like the packaging of it. It's really sleek and classy, and it's like very travel friendly, and the bullet is also very good. The angle cut makes the application of the lipstick, at least on my lips, very easy. Now everybody has a different notion about that, but for me, angled cut is very good for applying a lipstick. I just get a very good precision near my Cupid's bow. That's just my feeling. You get a click sound when you turn it off. The only downside about this lipstick is that it's very expensive. You get it around for 550 or 600 rupees, which is very, very, very expensive. Considering the price, you get better lipstick in the market as compared to this one, but overall the lipstick is really good quality. It's matte, it stays onto your lips for a really long time, say 6 to 7 hours. If you haven't had your meals, if you had your meals, it will still be there, like a kind of a hint of color on your lips. The only downside is the price. So I'll give this again a 3.5 out of 5, because all the points are gone just because of the price range. So the next lipstick that I will be talking about is the L18's Matte lipsticks. This is how it looks like. They retail for just 100 rupees, and this is the color that I'm wearing from their range. They have a variety of colors, so in 100 rupees you can buy a ton of different colors. The one I am wearing on my lips is in the shade Grape Riot, and this is how it looks like on me. I really like this. This again has that same purpley undertone. It's a mauvey color. I really like it. It's more towards the creamy side and less towards the matte side. It doesn't emphasize your dryness. In fact, it's very moisturizing, to be very honest. I really like the packaging of it. It's very travel friendly. It's sturdy. It doesn't open like just like that, and again it has an angled cut, which makes the application very easy, at least for me. You get a click sound when you close it, which is again a thumbs up. So you have, all in all, you have really good things to talk about this lipstick. The only con that it has is the lasting part. It doesn't last for a really long time. Someone like me who just eats up their lipstick, this will last on your lips for just 2 hours or even less. So just that. Otherwise, for 100 rupees you get a great product. I will rate it a 4 out of 5 because, you know, except for the longevity, everything is like a big thumbs up. Moving on, the next lipstick which is on my lips is the Seven Heaven Color Intense lipstick. This is in the shade Nude Beige, which I absolutely love. It's a beautiful everyday nude MLBB shade, and this is how it looks on my lips. I know it is washing me out a tad bit, but then still I just love this color. The lipstick is amazing in itself, but the sad part is I think they have discontinued this range. Now they have launched another range called Half and Half and Matte Look, so you would find similar shade in those lines, but I think this is discontinued. Anyways, moving on, this is a very beautiful color, and the lipstick in itself is very beautiful. It's matte. It doesn't transfer too much comparing to the other lipstick that we have just talked about. It's very matte, yet it's very moisturizing. It doesn't make your lips go flaky or anything of that sort. If you don't have your meals, it can last on your lips for good 6 to 7 hours, which is a big thumbs up. You get these for anywhere between 100 to 150 rupees and even more on eBay and Amazon. In a local market, you can get this one for around 100 to 150 rupees. These are by far the best matte lipsticks I have ever used. I have a couple of them already. Like, I have a red one, I have a pink one, and then I have this nude beige, which I absolutely like. It doesn't transfer much. I have a complete review on these lipsticks already on my channel, so I'll leave it in the description box if you guys want to see. The only con of this lipstick is that the bullet in itself is a bit drying, so you will have to drag the product onto your lips. It doesn't glide very smoothly as compared to the other products that we have already seen. So considering that one con, I will still give this lipstick a 4.5 out of 5, which is an amazing deal, I guess. Next lipstick that we will be talking about is the Annalise matte lipstick, and this is how it looks like. This is shade number 4, and this is how the bullet is. Now the packaging is bang on, but the product is not that great. It says it's matte lipstick, but it's very creamy. This particular shade just washes me out, as you can already make out, and it's a bit patchy on my lips, like a tad bit patchy on my lips. This is certainly not the best matte lipstick that I've ever used. You get it for 80 rupees, which is again a very affordable buy, to be really honest. But you might just say, what else do you want for 80 rupees? Now I have better lipstick in 80 rupees than this one. It is patchy, and this one especially just washes me out, so I'm not quite happy with this. I'll rate it 3 out of 5. It also transfers a lot. It stays for around 3 to 5 hours on your lips, which is a decent time frame for a lipstick to stay on your lips, but then it's patchy. It's not quite a good formula as I have other lipsticks, so I would rate it a 3 out of 5. I look like a vampire. Moving on, let's talk about the lipstick that is on my lips right now. This is the Sugar Matte as Hell Lip Crayon. This is in the shade Poison Ivy, and it's a very deep burgundy red kind of a color. It makes me look like a Dracula right now. Anyways, so It's a matte lip crayon. It's very expensive. This is, I guess, 700 rupees for this lip crayon. This is how it looks on my lips. It's extremely matte. It's extremely drying. It even makes my lips go a bit flaky after 2-3 hours of application, which is a bit bummer because you pay so much for this crayon. And also, it's not completely transfer proof. It does transfer, and it transfers a lot comparing to the Seven Heaven Color Intense lipstick. And yeah, it's really hyped basically. For the Sugar Matte as Hell Lip Crayon, I would rate it a 4 out of 5 because like the color is good, it's matte, it's long lasting, but then the price you pay, you don't get a very good product. Let's move on to the next product, which is the Me Now Generation 2 Kiss Proof lipstick, and I'm wearing this color, which is shade number 16 on my lips right now. Now this is very creamy and it is actually kiss proof, like actually kiss proof. The moment you apply it, and like you apply it, and after like say 15 to 20 seconds, it just goes completely matte and transfer proof. I have been saying this a lot of times already, like this is a liquid lipstick in a bullet form. Now I've just applied it, it's just been like 20 seconds and it's nowhere. Look at that. It doesn't transfer or budge at all, which is amazing. Now since it's completely matte and transfer proof, it is a lot drying. Make sure that your lips are well exfoliated while you are using this, and you have been moisturizing them well before you are using this. Otherwise this might just makes your lips go very flaky and dried. It's very lightweight, you won't even feel there is anything on your lips, and when you apply it, it's very creamy. So it's very creamy, and like say after 15 to 20 seconds, it's completely matte, which is amazing, isn't that? Retails for 120 rupees. You can find it in your local stores as well, and you can find it online as well. I'll rate this a 4.8 out of 5, which is amazing and insane because this lipstick has just taken my life to a different level, and it's amazing. Like anybody who will use this will stop using all kinds of lipstick. It's that great. It's a bit difficult to take off because you know it's kind of a liquid lipstick, so you might have to use a makeup remover or oil to get this lipstick off. Let's talk about the last lip product that I have in my collection, which is matte, and it is the Hang Fang Kiss Cancellation lipstick. This is how it looks like. It looks very similar to the Nykaa Paint Stick. I really like the packaging game going on right here, and the one that I have is in the shade red, and this is shade number 20. I have not seen this anywhere online. I think you would probably just find it in your local stores. I really like the color. It's very lightweight and it stains your lips with the color that the lipstick is, so it lasts a really long time on your lips. You would have to use a makeup remover to get this lipstick off. They also have a bit of moisturization, so it doesn't make your lips go dry or something of that sort, and they are matte. I really like the color and everything. They just glide beautifully on your lips. I can compare the texture of this lipstick with the Nykaa So Matte lipstick. They are very similar, and they are like, this is amazing. If you are somebody who doesn't like lipsticks that dry out your lips and yet you want a matte lipstick, this is an amazing buy, and you get it for just 80 rupees, which is again an amazing deal. So yeah, that was my last pick, and I would rate it 4 out of 5. That were all the lipstick that I have in my collection, which were matte, and let's see who the winner is. So the winner of the Battle of the Matte Lipsticks is this guy right here. It's the Me Now Kiss Proof lipstick, and I think it totally deserves, and it has earned its place to be in the first place. And a close second is the Seven Heaven Color Intense lipsticks, which is like very close to this one. There was like a 2-pointer difference maybe. So yeah, those were the winners, and I hope you guys liked this video and it was fun and helpful to you. And if it was, then give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.